Security concerns and ego are said to be the main hurdles in the way of Prime Minister Imran Khan's visit to Quetta to meet the bereaved families of 11 slain coal miners of the Hazara community. Remittances from overseas Pakistanis during December 2020 rose by 16.2% year-on-year to $2.436 billion compared to $2.097 billion in December 2019, clocking in above $2 billion mark for the 7th consecutive month, according to the latest data released by the State Bank of Pakistan. Northern Korean leader Kim Jong-un called for more advanced nuclear weapons and said the United States is our biggest enemy, state media said on Saturday, presenting a stark challenge to President-elect Joe Biden just days before he takes office. After what felt like 5 years of hate speech, illogical rants, and lots of spam, Twitter has finally suspended Donald Trump's account permanently and naturally. People couldn't believe it. It was too good to be true. The first round action in the Pakistan Cup on Friday saw Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Southern Punjab both comfortably chased down 300-plus totals and 5 batsmen post centuries across the 3 matches.
You are watching CIT News Network, Islamabad.